Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a little demonstration of chat.openai helping me write a Google Sheet formula. What I want is to take this sample set and convert it into this sample set. And assuming that A1, I take this formula here, copy it, take it over into my spreadsheet, and you can see I've already done the work here. G2 is the target, and I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead and just drag this down. You can see that it works, except for some data points that are not the same format. Let's go ahead and drag all of this down. And give me a quick visual of how many problems I have. This one's interesting. That should have worked, but you know what it is that this value here has no spaces. So there we go. So spaces are required. So that's one side. Let's take a look at the other side of this formula. Control C, and then over to our other desktop, and then let's take it all the way to the top. Control V, which is not going to work because A1 is not my target. G1 is my G2 is my target. So G2, and let's pop that in over here. Oh, something changed. I don't like it. All right, so Control A, Control V. All right, so let's make sure we're not breaking anything. G2, copy that. G2, copy that, and G2. Now, there we go. So now we have separated our cells. Yes, I could have used the data splitter. I could have, but I didn't. I could have split all of this on just the dash. But now I know that that I can also use this formula here to separate out values based on a particular string. So if I had a larger string in here, I might even be able to put in a regex in there using a different find command. Anyway, thanks for watching and happy computing.